Hello, my name is Wilfred Rajales. Activity 3, City my Cali City my description. 10 years ago, my city was smaller. Now it is much larger. Vehicular traffic and increased. 10 years ago, there were only two shopping centers. Now there are several shops and Chipichape, Palmetto, and Pacific Mall. 20 years ago, there was only the Kalima movie theater. Now there are several shops and Royal Films and Cine Colombia. 10 years ago, we had at stadium. Now we had two, Pascual Guerrero and Cali. 10 years ago, we celebrated the Petronio Alvarez Festival. Now it is being declared an intangible heritage of humanity. 10 years ago, there was no basketball club. Now there is Coliseo. 10 years ago, there was no Mio mass transportation. Now there is. 10 years ago, the 14 stories existed. Now they're down. Uh, Finish. Thank you so much. Bye bye.